Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Mathematics. Term 2, chapter number 4. And the name of the chapter is Shapes and Pattern. This is our lecture number 3. Today's topics are number 1, properties of cuboid shape. Number 2, properties of sphere shape. We know that beta, these two are 3D shapes. So today we will learn about the properties of cuboid shape as well as properties of sphere shape. Let's start. First one is meaning of face in solid shape. I told you earlier also. Now I am going to explain it again, that what do you mean by face in solid shape. Okay. The outer surface of a solid is called face. ठीक है बेटा, जो outer surface होता है किसी भी solid object का, that is called face. Now the next one is meaning of edges in solid shape. So what do you mean by edge? When two faces meet, it make an edge. Okay, it can be straight or curved. जहां पर टू फेसेस मिलते हैं वो क्या होती है बेटा? एज. ओके, ये स्ट्रेट भी हो सकती है और कर्व्ड भी हो सकती है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज मीनिंग ऑफ वर्टेक्स इन सॉलिड शेप. वर्टेक्स मींस कॉर्नर. व्हेन टू लाइंस और एजेस meet at a point, it form a corner or vertex. Understood beta? Now beta, I'm going to show you one cuboid shaped object, okay, and then I will tell you that how you can count the number of faces, edges and vertex in that. So let's start. So here you can see there is a cuboid shaped object and this is a box. Okay, now we will count number of faces. So here first face is the top and second face is the bottom. Okay, now front third face, back fourth face, left fifth face and right sixth face. So how many faces a cuboid shape object? That is 6 faces. Okay, now we will count its edges. Okay, and what are edges beta? Edges which joins two faces. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many number of edges? That is 12. Okay, now we have to count its vertex. So let's count corners. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. 1 2 3 4. So 4 plus 4 8. Okay, so how many vertices a cuboid shape has? That is 8 vertices. Okay, now beta, all edges of a cube are equal. In cuboid opposite edges are equal. Okay beta, opposite. This is equal to this edge is equal to this edge. Opposite edges are equal and all the faces of a cuboid shape is rectangular in shape. इसकी shape कैसी होती है? जैसी rectangle की shape होती है. Understood beta? Now beta, I'm going to tell you how you can make cuboid in your notebook. So here, this is a notebook page. Okay, now you have to make 2 lines format like this. Okay, then we will start writing date. So first of all, here we will write date and today's date is 23/9/2020. Okay, And here at the right hand side, we will write today's day, and that is Wednesday and CW. Okay. Now here in between, we will write the number of the chapter and name of the chapter. So here chapter 4 is there, and the name of the chapter is Shapes and Patterns. Now we want to make here cuboid. So first of all, we will write cuboid. Now beta, to draw a cuboid, we have to make a rectangle. So here we will make a rectangle by 2 standing lines and 4 sleeping lines. So let's start making it. It's 2 lines, okay, standing and 4 lines sleeping. Again 2 lines standing and 4 lines sleeping. So here we have made a rectangle. Now leave one column, leave this column beta, okay, and we will make another rectangle starting from this point like this, okay. Yes, so here again we have made a rectangle of 4 by 2, 4 slipping line and 2 standing line. इसको हम बोलते हैं 4 by 2 का हमने एक rectangle draw कर लिया. Now बेटा we have to draw a line by the corners of this rectangles. Okay, so from this to this corner we will make a line, then from this to this column we will make a line, then from this to this column, and from this to this column. Okay, so here we have made a cuboid. Okay, now we have to write its faces, edges and vertex or corners. So here first of all we will write its face. Okay, this is the face of this cuboid. So here we will write FACE, face. And these lines are the edges. Okay, so here we will write H, EDGE, H, because we are showing only one edge. That's why here I have written H. Now corners. These are the corners, this, and this. So here we will write corner or vertex. Understood, beta? How you have to make cuboid in your knot. Now, properties of a cuboid. So here is a cuboid. Now we have to write its properties. Okay, I told you how many faces it has. So here first property we will write it has 6 faces. Okay, like a cube, it has also 6 faces. Next property is about its edges. How many edges it has? It has 12 edges. Okay, after that we have to write its vertex. So how many vertex it has? It has 8 vertices. अगर सिंगल होता तो बेटा हम vertex लिखते, because 8 हैं तो इसलिए हमने vertices लिखा है. Okay, it is the plural form of vertex. Like corner की plural form है corners and vertex की plural form vertices. Okay, and what is the difference between cube and cuboid? That in cube all edges are equal, but in cuboid only opposite edges are equal. Okay, so opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Understood, beta? Now cuboid shaped objects. Now I am going to show you some cuboid shaped objects. So here first one is a matchbox. Okay, this is of cuboid shape. Okay beta. Next is, what is this beta? You can guess? Yes, of course you can guess. That is a book. This is also of cuboid shape. Okay, next one is, what is this beta? Which object is this? This is a box. Okay, now the next is, yes, can you guess which object is this? That is duster. Okay, yes. Now beta, I'm going to show you one sphere shape object. Okay, so here I have one bowl. Okay, and you can see that it has only one face. Okay, it doesn't have any vertex है ना, इसका कोई भी corner नहीं है, and it doesn't have any edge because it has only one face. So if there is only one face, then there is no edge. Okay, so we can say that here in sphere shape objects, we have only one face. Understood, beta? I'm going to tell you that how you have to draw sphere shape. Okay, so again, this is our notebook page. First of all, we will write date, day, CW. Here in between, chapter number 4, shapes and patterns. Now here we will write sphere. Okay, because here we are drawing sphere shape. So for that, beta, you need a bangle. Okay, so first take any one bangle. Okay, and keep it on this page like this. Okay, this is a bangle. After that, you have to draw a circle with the help of bangle and pencil. So let's start making circle like this in the between of the bangle. Understood, beta? Like this. Now what we have to do, after making the circle, you have to take out bangle from it like this. Okay? Now we have to make this shape, okay, in between, otherwise it will look like a circle. तो हम यहाँ पर एक ऐसे बीच में शेप बना देते हैं. कैसी भी शेप आप बना सकते हैं, like this. Okay, yes. So what is this now? This is a sphere shape. Okay, and how many faces it has? It has only one face. Okay, it has no corner, it has no vertex. Now we will write its properties. Let's start. Now beta, properties of a sphere. Okay, so now we will write properties of sphere here. So here is a sphere shape. Okay, now we will write its properties. So first property is it has only one face. Okay, it has only one face. Second property is it doesn't have any edge. Okay, first of all we will write about face, then we will write about edge, and after that we will write about vertex. So it does not have any vertex or corners. Okay, beta. Now beta, I'm going to show some sphere shaped objects. So let's start. Here the first one is this. Which object is this? You all know that? Yes, this is a football. So here we will write football. F-O-O-T, foot, B-A-L-L, ball, football. Okay. Now the second object. Which object is this? Do you know? These are marbles. Okay. कंचे जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Okay. So here we will write marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S. Marbles. Now the third one is, yes, can you tell me which object is this? This is a globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Okay. The next one is, yes, this is an orange. Okay. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Okay, beta. Now, beta, we will learn some new words. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, that is sphere. What is the spelling of sphere, beta? S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. S P H E R E. All of you speak with me. S P H E R E. Sphere. Now, number 2. Cuboid. C U B O I D. C U B O I D. Cuboid. Okay. C U Q B O I D. Boid. Cuboid. Now, number 3. Marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S. M-A-R, Mar, B-L-E-S. Marbles. Okay. Now, number 4. Edges. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. E-D-G-E-S. Number 5. Vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. Vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. Vertices. Now, number 6 is duster. D-U-S-T-E-R. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. मैम यूज करती है ना डस्टर बेटा. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. Now, number 7. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Number 8. Objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. What do you mean by objects बेटा? All things are objects. है ना. सभी तरह की जो चीजें होती हैं, वस्तु होती हैं, that are called objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. Number 9. Matchbox. M-A-T-C-H. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. B-O-X. Box. What do you mean by matchbox, beta? Matchbox means matches. Okay. Number 10. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Understood, beta? Now you have to learn all these spellings. Understood? Now today's homework. Draw cuboid and sphere shapes in your notebook. Learn and write its properties. So beta, today you have to make both shapes, cuboid as well as sphere shape, in your notebook. Okay, and you have to write its properties and learn it. Okay beta. Now the homework discussion of lecture number 2. Chapter 4, Shapes and Patterns. So here again, this is your notebook page. Okay. So how you have to done your homework, I'm going to tell you now. Date 21 date का ये work था बेटा. So here I have written 21/9/2020. Then Monday and HW. Okay. In between you have to write chapter number 4, Shapes and Patterns. Okay. Now I had given you to draw a cube shape. Okay. So for that, first of all we will write here cube. And for cube, I told you earlier that we have to make square for it. Okay. And in square all sides are equal. So here we are going to make a square of 2 by 2 like this. Okay. Now leave one column and in between we will make another square of 2 by 2. Okay. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. By drawing 4 lines we have made a square. So 2 squares we have made here. Now we will meet the corners. Okay, like this. Draw a line to meet the corners. again here like this and like this. Understood beta? Now we will write its face. This is the face of a cube. Then we will write its edge. This is the edge. ये जो lines हैं यहाँ पर ये सारी क्या है इसकी बेटा edge